Behind every innovation in medical devices, precision manufacturing is one of the keys. I'm Gilbert Chen. For over a decade, we've specialized in precision manufacturing for medical device components. Today, I want to introduce you some of the core products we're showcasing at this exhibition. First, we have the screw-based plate made from aluminum alloy with a contour accuracy of just 7.6 micrometer. It sets new standards for precision and compression efficiency. Next, it's our frame mount base, a high-strength aluminum alloy casting. We precisely control its deformation to meet the most stringent loading-bearing requirements. Finally, we have the heat sink. It has cooling fins. We effectively manage the deformation and meet the heat dissipation needs of medical equipment. Want to see more reliable and precision parts? Curious if we can produce your products? Join us at MedTech Shanghai 2024. We are waiting for you there.